Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to change the main quality, overall quality in Forever Winter game. To do that, firstly you should click Options, then find Display, and here you will see overall quality. So this is the quality, this is the graphics preset in the game. For example, right now I will use Ultra, and as you can see, settings was changed everywhere to Ultra. If I will use High, it will select High everywhere, in every settings, for example. So if I will choose Ultra, but for example, shading quality I will set to High. As you can see right now, the overall quality is custom. So I want to use Ultra settings in my game. So that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye. See you.